Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our full bar 25 grit extra soft bond grinding plates. This is a great tool for doing a heavy stock removal. It has great wear rates because it has a heavy concentration of a 25 grit, and it's made for super hard concrete. So if you need any, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 5-inch 125mm ultra hybrid pad. This is a pad that's for edges. It works wet and or dry. It's for the guys who are doing concrete polishing. This tool takes out metal scratches fast. It has a great wear rate and leaves a beautiful finish. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our half bar 25 grit soft bond grinding plates. This is a great tool for lightweight machines. If they want to do some good stock removal and give a good profile for a light build-up coating, you know, like in a metallic or something, it's perfect. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our TriPCD coating removal tool. This is a polycrystalline diamond. It's made for coating removal. The polycrystalline doesn't overheat, so the segments don't smear the coating, so you have a faster removal rate versus traditional segments. Has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 75mm Lustor polishing pad in the 50 grit. This is a dry tool. It does a great job for stock removal. It works on light machines and heavy machines. It has a really good wear rate, and it leaves a great finish. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have a Rhombus double 40 grits and the extra soft bonds. This is a great tool to have, like, just do general prep. Everybody should have it in their toolbox. It's made for super hard concrete. It does a phenomenal job doing stock removal. It has a great wear rate. Message me now.